Back from work. Wait a sec. What is that noise? Wait, Rhino, why are you itching yourself? I just got the chickenpox. Chickenpox? Let me tell Fawn. Fawn, traffic cone. Rhino's got the chickenpox. Chickenpox? Uh-oh. Fawn, what's the matter? Now I've got chickenpox. Don't worry, Fawn. Maybe Phoenix can tell Jellyfish. Jellyfish, believe me, Rhino and Fawn got chickenpox. Chickenpox! Oh, no! Don't give me the chickenpox! Oh! Maybe we have to tell Jackie Spuds. Woo! Yeah! Go! Jack! Stop the music for a sec! Some people got the chickenpox. Chickenpox? Are they those itchy red bumps? Oh, Jack! What's happening to you? Oh, dread. Now Jackie Potatoes got the chickenpox. Hello there. Hi, Phoenix. What's happening? Some of my friends have got chickenpox. Chickenpox? Please find someone who can help. Okay, then.
1 hour later.
No! Why is chicken out the ground? No! Do you know something called chickenpox? Oh! No, I've got chickenpox! So do I! Me too! Look at all the pretty Huh? What? What's going on? Why are there spots around my body? Are they? Chickenpox! What did someone say? Do they say chicken pops? Or is it... Wait, what's happening? Oh no, it's the chickenpox. Chickenpox! Wait, it sounds like bubbles popping from upstairs. Right, let's check upstairs. Ah, what's happening? We got the chickenpox, and we need your help getting rid of them. And if our song starts, we won't get to perform. Maybe Chicken Caesar can sort this out. Caught the chickenpox, have we? Yes, and we need to get rid of them. I've got the perfect medicine. Open wide. The medicine tastes okay. And now the chickenpox are going away. Finally, no more chickenpox. And can you stop piranha, bubble tea, and air fryer from having the chickenpox? Of course.
These are the worst chickenpox ever!
Maybe my medicine will make you feel better.
No more chickenpox!
And we don't need to panic anymore. No more itching anymore. Oh, thanks to Chicken Caesar. No problem. Ah, Phoenix, what's happening? Did he get the chickenpox? I did get the chickenpox, but I'm fine. Now, what about that noise? Well, our song is about to start. Hopefully, the performance will make me feel better, okay?
We could hide away in daylight with a undercover right at the sun.
Got a secret side and plain side. Where the streets are empty, that's where we run. Everyday people